All right, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go over a summary of what's going on. Right, we know we are expecting the price to eventually break the low, but we know that this low here, 63, it's a bullish poker face, right? That is stopping the price to go to our 57, right? But 69, it's right. So the long 63, 64, the poker face long, good all the way to 69. So the bulls, where are the bulls won? They won the price to destroy 69. Boom, like it's doing it right now, right? You know, it's taking it, right? They're gonna take profits right here. So the 63 long, the poker face long, that Mystique called, 63 to 72. That's gonna be 9 points. That's not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
All right. What else do we know? Well, we also know that 69 is going to tell us how strong the 72 is going to be. All right. What else do we know? We know that the bulls are in control since Mystique called that long poker face 64, right? And then price goes to 63, cannot continue going. It has to bounce. We know it's going to go to 69. We are waiting for the price to see if it's going to take 69, and that's going to tell us how weak 72 is going to get. It's doing it right now. So the long 64, you have no reason at all whatsoever to be all out. I'm counting on a continuation all the way to 72. What do you see? 72 and 75, by the way. All right. There will be profit taking at 72, but I already told you 69 is gonna tell us if it's gonna be if there is a change in direction. Mystique, you caught it. You caught the change in direction way before it happened, right? With your bullish poker face, right? And that's what we do. That's called catching a bottom, which is what we do here. We trade tops, bottoms, and everything in between, right? And that's exactly what you did here. So the latecomers, they saw the break of 69, and that's where they're going long. We are long already 64, right? Because of the poker face long that you call. Right? It's much better to be long 64, 63, 63, 64 than taking a shot here 69. You go long here, the breakout 69. Yeah, sure, you're expecting 72. That's only 3 points. And look, only has to go back, right? Why? Because remember that 72 it's stronger, we believe, than this base right here. Thank God we have 69 telling us that, hey, listen, the base, it's a little bit stronger than you thought, all right? So what we're gonna do? Well, the 57 target 1 for the bears is on the back burner. Okay, what's the main play? Long, right? 72 is 72, 72, 72, 75 is target 1. Okay, 72. 75 is a solid target 1. What's the mid-range? Well, 73 half. You know what I mean? So 72, everybody knows about 72. But our system right here is the only one that knows the importance of 69. 69 is telling us that the long poker face signal 64, 63, it's the main play. Boom, 72. Those of you guys and ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals that are paying attention and you heard every single word that I say, and when it came to the notion of being completely and totally 100% focused and full concentration, and then I'm being on the lookout to anticipate the change in direction that I told you. I am looking at this change of direction because I know, because I've seen this a million times, and I know that a change in direction can easily come. So we have to be on the lookout and be able to completely and totally 100% change hats, because it's gonna be a radical change. Look that beauty. Look at it. So the fact that we knew the importance of 69, and how do we know that? You will not find that in any book ever written in trading history. Remember, there are a lot of fake gurus that write books. They write books so that they can have more credibility. Oh my God, he wrote a book. Oh, he must be a real trader then. And then he can sell you his garbage, crappy trading course, right? And without being able to prove to you, reading the market live, real time as it's happening, and they write a book, but because they wrote a book, oh my God, it's gotta be a real trader. They're not real traders just because they wrote a book, all right? We all know that. This industry is packed with fakes, man, with phonies. All right, we're gonna bring 69. We're gonna bring it down 1 point to 68. Okay, support 68. Okay? So the main play, right, is the long, the bullish setup signal poker face 64, 63, right? And then we all knew about 69. I'm gonna bring it down to 68. But the original 69 is the one we knew 69 before the open. We knew that a taking of 69. Look at this beautiful. look at the way the price took 69 from 68 all the way to 71. 3 points in 3 seconds, right? We knew that we were gonna have enough gunpowder to take the price all the way to 62 and above. And that's why our system gave us a 3-point range, 72, 75, mid-range, 73 half, right? That's like the exact mid-range. Price just went to 73 quarter, one tick below our mid-range. But what's important to know is that we are right now in the target one region. All right, look at it, look. Okay, I mean, I'm telling you, what can I say? Look at the way it took it, 77, beautiful.
Target one, officially hit.
That's right. Okay. Alrighty then. And look, didn't I say that this 70, the bid range was really strong? Look, momentum takes it all the way to 78, almost 78, and bam, it needs to come right back down. Where to, Mystique? To 73 half. Yep. Look at it. Yep. I kid you not. Look at it. Not only has to come back right down, it's totally taking it. It's unbelievable. How can there be a system that can tell you all of this before it happens? 81, target 2. 81, target 2.
Achieved.
Target 2 officially achieved, Mystique?
Yep.
81?
Yep.
All right.
We passed it and we kept going.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 81, target 2, officially hit. All right, we're gonna pulse it out because, are you kidding me? This is the juice that I was telling you about. Hey, listen, there's no juice, and the way it's gonna happen, it's gonna have to, look at that. Look at the recoil off of 82. Okay, so watch out, my friends, because this is a strong spike, isn't it?
It is.
Alrighty then. Oh, Jesus Christ. All these kids that trade what they see, and all these fake gurus that they don't even know what that means. They had no idea of the violent change in direction that was in the works. Yeah, what's up? You do? Well, that's terrific because 81 is target 2, right?
Correct.
Well, what do we do at target 2?
Counter trend.
Counter trend. So 81, 82, it's a short, right? We all know that. Okay, look at it. And those of you who are strong, aggressive traders, you know our rules. That's an automatic short, 81. It is an automatic short. We're gonna pulse it out. No, Capi, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of room. 1 point, bam! You went ahead and you took the 82 because you wanted to have a little bit of room because look at the way he went out. Boom, you're short 82. Price right now is 76, 75. You're up 7 points in how many seconds?
A fraction of a second.
That's right. This is math, right? So we need to know what's the overall market direction. It's sideways. It's pretty good. It's sideways. So what does that mean? Well, we already hit target 1 and we got target 2. Then I'm not expecting a break of 82, 83 anytime soon and a continuation to target 3. I don't even have target 3 yet, right? So there's gonna be some opportunities here, all right? Because I'm not expecting a real break. So let's go ahead and find out what the next resistance is. And then we're going to make a decision whether it's going to be a target or a destination. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So break off this high, right? This high right here, our target 2, is going to take the price all the way to, what did I say? 89. 89. Here. Okay, 89. All right, so 89 is, ladies and gentlemen, a destination. All right, we might end up making it target 3, but we have to wait. I have to wait for Goldman Sachs to call me and tell me what their intentions is as to what exactly it is they want to do at 89. All right, so the counter trend, sure. 81, 82 just hit almost 72, right? 72, 82, almost 10 points, right? So why is so important that we know the overall market direction? Like I told you, listen, the overall market direction is pretty good because it's a solid sideways. Therefore, I'm not expecting a break of 82 anytime soon. We are counter trend short 81, and that's good news for us. Those of us who took a counter trend short, like we always do, automatic at the target 2, right? Oh, really? It's not gonna take it? So if it's not gonna take it, then what am I gonna do? Number 6 in our 7 elements of trade that every major trade has. Let's go ahead and manage that one. And we all know that 81 can easily, with the manipulation today, turn into the main play again, right? And go from a counter trend to the main play. That would be beautiful for those of us who took a shot short counter trend 81, 82. All right, boom! Look at the beautiful way it's moving down. So we're gonna leave 89. It's a destination for the bulls. That is going to be a strong resistance. We're going to leave it there. And just like we left 57. 57 is there. 57 can easily still be tested. So the 81 short, think about this. This is all mathematics, all right? So we go here, math over myth, right? That short 81. Think about it. 81. And we know that 57 is still there. 81 minus 57, how many points is that? That's 24 points, right? So what do you think what do you think target 1 is for this short 81? Target 1 is right here, the low, 64, 65. What do you think target 1 is gonna be? Boom, right there. So 81 to 64, I don't know, 15, 16 points, right? Math. And then we're expecting a bounce here because it's going to be a double bottom. Everybody, even the crook college kids fake gurus on YouTube, even they know that that this is going to be a double bottom, right? So it's going to be a little bounce right there, but we are going to do everything in our power and continue managing this 81 short and ride it all the way to where? To 57. Okay? Is that 69? Actually, CAPI is not 69. You want me to tell you what this drop is? Is 68.75. Remember that you moved 69, 1 point to 68? That's the reason why. Look at it. 68.75. Oh my God. I mean, it's just, even if we want to be wrong, we can't. What can I say? I told you, there is a hidden bearish trend. It hasn't happened yet. It hasn't happened yet. It hasn't happened yet. When it happened, I'm gonna tell you. Bam! This is that phantom hidden downtrend that I've been telling you since 9 a.m. this morning. What time it is right now? 10:19. So more than an hour ago, we already knew that this was coming. Number one and number two, overall market direction is sideways. I was not expecting a break of 82. So with confidence, we have a counter trend short 81, and we have a couple. We need to think about all of this, right? We need to be fast in our thinking. And there is a phantom hidden trend that is coming anytime. Oh, terrific. Okay, so I have a lot of confidence in taking that shot short. Close attention to this. Look at the importance of now 68. 68 is not going to be taken. It's a real swing low. I'm not expecting the price to take, just like I wasn't expecting the price to take 82. I'm not expecting the price to take 68. We all know that the price can take any level, anytime. We all know that. I'm talking about the odds. A clean take of that 68, then we are the odds that the price is gonna test the low is not gonna hold. It's gonna completely break it and continue to target 2, right? Now 57 is target 2 because target 1 is gonna be the double bottom. Are you kidding me? The odds increase if the price clean takes 68. All right, so as long as the price is above 68, we are expecting a continuation all the way to 89. Break of 68, we are expecting a continuation all the way to test the low, 65, 64, break it, some shenanigans there, break it, and 57. We've got to log 64, 60, right, 65. That's target 1 for this 81 counter trend short. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so 65, right? Target 1, 65, 64 to the tick, right?
Right.
I told you, this is target 1 for the 81 short. Why? Well, because we all know that even the teenagers on YouTube know that this is a double bottom, right? So that's target 1. Okay, bears still in control, and now nice action, right? Target 1 accomplished, right? This low right here hasn't been taken, so, and this is just beautiful, the main play long has not been invalidated, has it? It's not break of 62, 63, right? We just took we just locked in 81, 65, right? 81 minus 65, we just locked in 16 points profit on this counter trend. It's just that it's so beautiful. There is so much volatility. It's just basic, right? Exactly. Exactly. Okay, so that's a great question, and it was a long explanation, but we can do it because we all can see that our Chore 81 was good all the way for 15 points here at 64. Before the price went to 64, we already had the odds that it was going to bounce because we know the entire market environment, right? And now we know that 77 is minor resistance, okay? So this bounce here off of 65 that we took long, right? I'm not expecting to clean take 77. That's not going to happen. Look at that. It just went to 76, all right? Why? Because we know here that the majority of bulls, scalpers, are taking profit 65, 77. All right? God, tell me that this is not crazy. I just told you this 11-point drop could be looked as short-term is bearish. I told you it's not bearish. It's not bearish. And look at what happened. Look at that bounce of 80, 90% of the drop. Look at it. It's just in front of all of us, right? I told you it's not. Don't be fooled knowing that this 12-point drop is not short-term bearish. That, my friend, it's golden information. Golden. I'm going to say it again. Main play has been long all morning long. We captured target 1, we captured target 2, and we have 89 as a destination. Remember that I told you I have to wait for Goldman to call me and tell me if they want to make it a target or not. It never got destroyed. The 81 short was nothing but a beautiful counter trend short, and the bullish setup that we call that already gave us two targets, 75 and 81. It's on its way to target 3, which I still don't have it, but we know that 89 is a destination. So I'm expecting, now this guy just started talking, Jerome Powell, right? And he's helping our main play since this morning. Beautiful, right? So let's ride it all the way to where? To 89. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that this is 89 quarter, isn't it? Is that 89 quarter? Yes, it is 89 quarter. This is a destination. Remember, we made 89 a destination, so it's not target 3. However, I know that we made it a destination. It's been there for a while. It is resistance, and a lot of bulls are locking 89. Of course they are. It's a destination. It's a resistance. It's our system's resistance destination. Look at the recoil off of destination. So it's a counter trend short, beautiful counter trend short. 80. Look at that, 89 to 82. 7 points in 7 seconds for the counter trend short, and it's not our last target for our current main play long. All right, so why are we gonna make 89 target 3, right? We could, let's just take advantage of it, counter trended, it's a razor sharp entry, and he gave us 7 points in 7 seconds, right? Terrific. We are all long the low, right? We are all long the low, 62, 63. It has not been invalidated. We took target 1, we took target 2. We know 89 is a destination. Let's write it to 89. That's pretty good. 89, right? Minus 63. That's 26 points that that the market has gone in our direction. We have 600 right there. What the hell are we going to be all out a 89 if 89 is only a destination? Let's ride this baby all the way to 600, which is a psychological level. This is not our system law. All right? We have 600 by way of, guess where? By way of 96. 96. Alrighty? 96. Here we go. Boom. 96. Alright? So, we're gonna ride this baby all the way to 600, and we know that 96 is gonna tumble. The price is gonna tumble a little bit there. Alright? And then we're gonna have to, all right, ladies and gentlemen. So finally, hey, ladies and gentlemen, I have target 3. Okay, I've been waiting for Goldman to call me all day. Here it is. So now that we have target 3, let me see. Bada bim, bada boom. Here it is. 609. Target 3. It's not a destination, ladies and gentlemen. We have ourselves a target 3. Boom. 609. All right? Okay, so we took 89. Terrific. Aren't you happy that we made 89 a destination and not a target? Look at it. It doesn't get any more beautiful than that. All right, so we have a psychological level 600. We know what's going to happen there. We have by way of. Now we have 96 is a by way of. 96 by way of. So by way of what? By way of target 3, which is 609. Right? And of course, we have a psychological level that all the kids, all the teenagers on YouTube know 600 is a psychic. It's a psycho. We all know that. We all know that, right? Boom. So what's our job? Stop, break even, and start trailing. Start trailing. If you want to go play golf, terrific. Jerome Powell is talking, is helping us, right? Whatever he said is helping our main play long 93, the low of today. We've been long main play since this morning, and taking advantage of the pullbacks, and taking advantage of the retracements, and taking advantage of the drop that the market is doing to get rid of the amateurs, to get rid of the retail trader, to stop to fish for all their stuff. We, on the other hand, have a solid system that tells us exactly what to do every single day. It's a rule-based mathematical system that we know exactly what to do, where to get in, where to get out, and how the price is where the price is going, and how it's gonna get there. Pretty much. You don't have a system like that. What do you think the smart money is gonna do to a trader that doesn't have all this information? Right, ladies and gentlemen. So it took a while to get to it by way of, right, until it finally, right, breaks the 98 by way of, right, by way of 609. That's where we're going. Psychological level 600. This is a cycle right here, and even though this is a nice clean break, but it is also one of our systems. Resistance, right? So trading 101, support because resistance, resistance because support, right? Clean break of 96. We are comfortable in our assessment that the price, the odds are that it's a good odds it's going to go to 600. However, we cannot underestimate the strength of 96. 96 is our system resistance. Boom. And that's why the price, even though cleans take it, it's got to come back to our resistance. So those of us who are aggressive traders, we know 96 is resistance. We see how the price is going. Boom, green, 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 bang! Take it beautifully. You're not going to take the 96 counter trend, right? You want to give yourself we're going to pulse it out. We know 600 is right there, and we know that we're taking an aggressive counter trend short 97, 98, right? Done. We know it's going to, the odds are it's going to go to 600. Not only that, our target 3 is 609. So, and it's not even noon yet. So we are in a pretty good shape. But why not take, since our system says that above 96 is an okay resistance, why not take it? With a smaller position, right? It's a counter trend. That doesn't mean that we're going to get out of our main play. We are on our way to 609. We're not going to touch our main play target 3 to 609. We're not going to touch that unless I tell you, done. There is a massive change in direction, and we're no longer going to 609. As long as I don't tell you, your job is to continue letting it ride. And why are we short right here, 98? Counter trend. Just in case, right, that this is a top and we don't even know it yet. What we do know is that the price is not going to take 96 and 600 easily. We know that. So we came here, we are day traders. We came here to trade, and we're going to take it. Price goes to 600, clean, destroy 600. We're going to get the hell out. And we know that we are on our way to target 3, 609. This is all mathematics, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 600. Beautiful, right? Look at the counter trend, our level of resistance, 600. Right? Remember, don't get all out. This is not our target 3. Our target 3 is 609. Yeah, sure. Those of you who want to go play tennis, golf, whatever it is you play, right? 600, which is made from 600, and we're long main play all the way from 563. That's 37 points, right? 94, right? That's 36 points. Right here, 600, we're up 36 points, and I know that we all are tempted to take these 36 points. But no. Why? Not until I tell you that the price is not, the odds are not that the price is not going to continue going up. So why are we going to take it? Depending on your position size, you can log here 36 points. That's pretty good. But remember that all the teenagers, all the criminals, all the fake, all the phonies, they're going to tell you, we all know the old myth, the old adage, that the secret to profitable trading is letting the winners run and get the hell out of the losers fast, right? They just don't tell you how to do it because they themselves don't know. They're phonies. They don't know anything. They write books and they don't know. They never gonna tell you because they don't know, and much less they will never have a live ride as is happening room, trading room, not a chat room, telling you as is going on. So this is how it's done. Okay? Let's go to 609.